Find the distance between the two polar coordinates 4, 4 pi over 3 and 6, 5 pi over 3. We have the distance formula between the two rectangular coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, which states that the distance between the 2 points in rectangular coordinate system is the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared, or x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. In this case, we are given the two polar coordinates. To use this formula, we need to convert them into rectangular coordinates. First, to give us an idea where these points are on the rectangular coordinate system, we will plot them. This is not necessary, but it gives us an intuition where the 2 points and the distance between the two. To plot the point 4, 4 pi over 3 from the origin, we go to the right a distance of 4 units and we go counterclockwise 4 pi over 3. 4 pi over 3 is a positive number, so we would need to turn counterclockwise. 4 pi over 3 is in the third quadrant, and so this is 4, 4 pi over 3. In the third quadrant, x should be negative and y should be negative as well. For 6, 5 pi over 3, from the origin, we would go 6 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we would turn 5 pi over 3. 5 pi over 3 is 1 pi over 3 less than 6 pi over 3. 6 pi over 3 is 2 pi, and so this second point is in the fourth quadrant, and it has a distance of 6 units. This point has the coordinate of 6, 5 pi over 3. In the fourth quadrant, x should be positive and y is negative. To find the rectangular coordinate of these 2 points, we use the formula x equals r cosine theta and y equals r sine theta. For the first point, x is 4 times cosine of 4 pi over 3. This is 4 times cosine of 4 pi over 3 is negative 1/2, so this is negative 2. The second coordinate of the first point is y equals 4 times sine of 4 pi over 3. This is 4 times sine of 4 pi over 3 is negative root 3 over 2. This is negative 2 root 3. So the rectangular coordinates for the first point is negative 2, negative 2 root 3. For the second point, x is r, but in this case, r is 6 cosine of 5 pi over 3. This is 6 times cosine of 5 pi over 3 is 1/2, so this is 3. For the y coordinate, it is 6 times sine of 5 pi over 3. But sine of 5 pi over 3 is negative root 3 over 2. So this is negative 3 root 3. The rectangular coordinate for the second point is x equals 3 positive, y is negative 3 root 3. Now that we have x1, y1, and x2, y2, we can find the distance between the 2 points. First, the distance squared equals x2, 3, minus x1, negative 2 squared, plus y2, negative 3 root 3, minus y1, negative 2 root 3 squared. 3 minus negative 2 is 5. Negative root 3 minus negative 2 root 3 is negative 1 root 3. And we still need to square this. This is 25 plus 3, or 28. This is the distance squared. The distance is the square root of 28, but 28 is 4 times 7. So the distance between the two polar coordinates is 2 the square root of 7. 2 times the square root of 7.